caused by global warming. Climate change refers to long-term weather patterns on Earth, such as temperatures, sea levels, and precipitation.
Dramatically many times science the planet was formed 4.5 billion years ago. It has oscillated between warm periods and ice ages. Such cycles have always taken tens of thousands or millions of years. In the last 150 years, industrial era, temperatures have been rising faster than at any other times.
Primary cause of climate change is the burning of fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas, which emits greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Other human activities such as agriculture and deforestation also contribute to their proliferation. The problem is that those gases trap heat in the atmosphere. This is called the greenhouse effect.
Without the greenhouse effect, the average temperature of the planet would be minus 18 centigrade. The daily human activities maximize this effect, causing the planet's temperature to increase even more. Despite international commitments, the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere continues to grow and reached another record in 2019, according to the World Meteorological Organization, almost plus 150% as compared to 1750.
Rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius by the end of this century with potential disastrous effects. In comparison, 5 degrees is the temperature's increase observed over the last 10,000 years.
Rising temperatures have an impact on the melting of the ice mass at the poles, which in turn causes rising sea levels, leading to flooding and threatening coastal environments. Climate change also contributes to more frequent and intense extreme weather events, such as storms, drought, heat waves, and forest fires. There are very strong regional variations in these patterns, and some parts of the world are more affected than others.
If climate change cannot be reversed, you can mitigate its effects and adapt to its consequences. Mitigation actions are about decreasing the amount of emissions released into the atmosphere, for instance, by developing clean energies and by increasing forest areas. Drastic changes are needed in key areas such as transport, energy, industry, agriculture, and waste management.
Nova is highly vulnerable to climate variability and change, which brings droughts, late spring frosts, hail, floods, and severe storms. Increasingly erratic weather patterns have resulted in loss of life and income through rising food and energy prices.
Adapting to climate change means preparing for its effects and making our society more resilient. This can mean, for example, using scarce water resources more efficiently and adapting agricultural and forestry practices and ensuring that buildings and infrastructure are able to withstand the future climate conditions and extreme weather events.
Climate change is a concern for all of us. We can all take action that both helps our climate and our health and well-being. Making our society more climate friendly means looking at how we produce and use energy, develop new technologies to heat or cool our buildings, all the way through the transport we use, products we buy, food we eat, and packaging we throw away. We need to work together to understand the challenges and develop the solutions, so that everybody do their parts and no one is left behind. Let's work together to take care of our planet and build the future we want.